You've believed that you deserve a seven-figure income. If you believe that you are one of the ones that should be making at least $1 million a year, but you've been looking to figure out that income stream for yourself or how to actually get to seven figures per year coming in, let me introduce you to the formula now. Hey guys, BJ here, and just like I said on this video, I'm going to show you not only how I plan to make $2 million over the next year, but how you are going to make $1 million just following my lead. Now, if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I've been promoting Uber. I actually went all in on Uber Eats for the last 3 months of my life, and it's paid off huge. It is a crazy benefit that I now want you to stop being on the fence and come join me on. We filled up all 30 partnership positions, so you will not get to be a standard Uber partner with us. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. You're looking at a screenshot that's already worth $1,700 for the day that could potentially be worth up to $2,500 when the two people that need to take their first trip take their first trip, so we can determine what their commission will be on them doing their trips. But literally, I've been able to plug into a formula with Uber Eats and turn around and convince people to become drivers for Uber Eats and to deliver that McDonald's or that Denny's or that Steak and Shake or that pizza to, real people like you and I who may want to have food delivered to their house, that may not want to go out to eat, that may not want to cook to eat, right? The business model speaks for itself. It's a model that's sustainable and it's growing. Every single day, more and more companies are partnering with Uber and becoming restaurants that Uber Eats drivers can deliver from. And every single day, there are thousands and thousands of people that are signing up to become Uber Eats drivers. And one of the reasons that is because Uber's vision and understanding that it's still not where it could ultimately be has led them to pay a customer acquisition bonus for every single person that you or I refer to Uber Eats. So when you or I turn around and sign up somebody from the Georgia area, like I did Andres here, you're going to make $200. And that varies anywhere from $50 in my local area all the way up to $400 if you see down here in the bottom screenshot has already been located. Now, there are areas out there that they say are worth $1,000. We have not figured those out yet. We've been finding different places. We actually have a list of over 14 different areas that are worth 200, 300, 400 or more. And we want you to take this to the next level with us, because the business model has been creating hundreds of dollars a day for our current clients. Now, I have over 7 clients that have been making consistent sales just from what we provide for them, which is a marketing system that I create a story and I teach people to get started for Uber Eats. A simple but super effective training on Twitter showing you how to go in, find people who need a job like Uber Eats, and introduce the video that I cut, the marketing system that we created for you, to those people. And then you get to use our incentives package, which my partner and I came up with from a company that he's been with long term, to where they actually give away awesome bonuses when our riders hit certain trips. Like when they take their 5th trip, they're going to get a gift card from us. When they take their 30th trip, they're going to get a free vacation to Vegas or to the Rocky Mountains or to Orlando, Florida. And what's so cool is everybody that's a partner of ours in Uber gets to use those bonuses to entice people to take trips. And when they take those trips, they get those bonuses, even though they aren't signing up through me or my partner. They're signing up through one of our Uber partners, right? So this formula has been a no-brainer formula. We just plugged in Facebook ads for our clients. It's changed the game. Now all of our clients are getting Facebook ads running, so they're all going to be at daily signups now that we have the Facebook ads coming in as well. And we even teach on Craigslist marketing, showing you how to post for free or very low cost Craigslist post listings, which are super effective because Uber is a legitimate company and Craigslist doesn't take down the Uber posts that the Craigslist posts that we put up there about Uber. So we took this business model. It was if I'm being honest, just a concept that I saw, that I had the vision for, and that it took me 90 days to really put the pieces of the puzzle together and find the right people and put them all into place. And now I've accomplished that. Now it's here. The business model is in place. The blueprint has been laid out, and I want to walk you through the whole thing because here's what's cool. I took those 30 partners, right? And like I said, we have about 1/3 of them already profiting daily, right? So I want to get all of them there, but only one of the 30 has actually hit the goal that I ultimately have for them, which is at least $400 a day coming in. I know maybe I should have led with that because that's really exciting news. Our main partner is actually averaged this last month. He averaged every single day $450 or more from what we've taught him, from our marketing system, from his own Craigslist expertise, and from doing the Twitter trainings and from the Facebook. So literally, I want to get all of my partners there because I've done a 75-25% split with my initial partners, right? And just from this group, we've turned around and we've changed the game. Because check this out, if I can get the other 29 members to also get to just $400 a day, not $450 or more like he's already making, if I can get the other partners to just get to $400 per day, that would give me $100 per day off of each one of them. Times that by 30 is $3,000 per day, which is $1 million in revenue for myself every single year coming in, let alone my own personal efforts, which, as you can see, I'm having about $2,500 days potentially if I'm just hustling and getting invites in Uber itself. So it's really exciting to turn around and be able to have a potential like this and make a business blueprint that actually gets you to $1 million per year. Now, the reason I showed you the $1 million per year plan is because that is the plan I want to give to you. By now, you've watched the presentation about being an Uber partner, and you know that it's powerful. Those people are all going to make at least $150,000 to $250,000 this year alone if they just get to that $400 per day price point that we want them to get to using our different means, right? So I want to plug you into this exact formula and give you the ability to use our marketing system, to use our sales presentations to go find people who want to find people who will drive for Uber, and of course, to be able to go find people to drive for Uber for yourself, because you could spend 2 hours a day and make $400 per day for yourself coming in off of what I'm teaching my current partners, and at the same time, be able to turn around and generate Uber partners of your own and get paid for them. This is where it gets exciting. I want that to happen for you. I want to give you this blueprint. I want you to be an Uber elite partner with us and be able to use our marketing systems. That means one to find Uber drivers and one to find Uber affiliates. I want to split the commission with you because right now I'm charging $300 upfront. We actually have two packages, $150 upfront and a 50-50 split of the profit share, or $300 upfront and a 30% split of the profit share. And I want to split the commission with you upfront, and I want to give you the ability to make 25% commission on the package that's the 50% split, or 20% commission on the package that's the 30% split, because obviously it's only 30% in our favor. At this level, that means you can follow my exact blueprint. Over the next 90 days, we can go find you 30 partners of your own, and we're going to help you with that as well. I'll talk to you about that in a second. And we're going to have you find 30 partners, and then we're going to plug them into our group. We're going to teach them our formula. We're going to give them our marketing system. We're going to give them our Twitter and Craigslist and Facebook training. We're going to set up and run ads for them. And when they start making that $100 a day, $200 a day, $400 a day, $1,000 a day, you're going to make either 20 or 25% of their net profits every single day. Which, check this out, I already did this number of formula for you one time, but I'm going to do it again now for you. You take us up on this partnership position. You hustle with our marketing system, with our sales presentations, with our trainings, and yes, we'll even run Facebook ads for you to find both drivers and Uber affiliates. You grow your business for the next 90 days and you generate 30 total partners that you invest in, that you help plug into our process, that follow our system to the letter. And when they get to just making $400 per day, which, as you can see, one of these clients paid me $400 just for him joining in that area of the world. So it could be as little as one sale per day gets them to that $400 per day range, which means 30 sales per day is all your team needs to make for you to make $1 million this year. You could turn around and make $100 per day off of each one of your 30 partners, just helping them make that one sale per day each from our Facebook ads and from our different marketing methods, which means you would turn around and make $3,000 per day, which is $1 million and about $58,000 every single year, right? So over $1 million profit in your pocket. And I'm still eating too, because I'll either make the other 25% if they buy the 50% split package, or I'll make 10% if they buy the 30% split package. On top of course, the 150 or of course the $75 to $150 commission off of each one of those 30 people that we help you bring in. So guys, this formula is an absolute game changer, and it's making money for people who've never made money online before. It's actually making money for people who don't even put in the effort, because one of the things that I do is I take all the risk out of it for you. I want you to simply pay for this partnership and pay for the Facebook ads, and we're going to find you the partners. We're going to allow you the freedom to focus on trying out the Twitter training, the Craigslist training, the Facebook training that we already have in the group with the marketing system, and let you start trying to find Uber drivers while we find the affiliates for you, even though we do want you to put in some effort to find your own affiliates. But we're going to run the Facebook ads to find them, just like we'll run Facebook ads to find drivers for you. And we're going to help you accumulate those 30 people, because whereas you'll make $400 per day yourself just following our formula, you could make $3,400 per day following our formula and having a team of 30 people bringing in that just measly one free sign up per day. Oh, and by the way, they'll all make $300 a day themselves as well. So they're going to be on pace for making over $9,000 a month each, which is about roughly, just over $100,000 a year themselves profit in their pocket. So how would your life change if you turned and took 30 people, helped them make a new 6-figure income for themselves this year, and you made a 7-figure income for yourself this year? If that's your vision, if that's where you knew you belonged, if that's what you really felt in your heart of hearts that you could accomplish, and you've just been looking for the way, I've now shown you the way, and I want to invite you to be one of our partners. This is a big ticket opportunity. This is a one-time only payment. We are asking upfront for you to join into our partnership. Now, you don't have to buy the Uber Basic partnership, because you're buying the Uber Elite partnership. You're going to go ahead and be grandfathered in to that just Uber regular partnership. So with the Uber Elite package, you become an Uber affiliate, which means you can find drivers for yourself, and you can find other Uber affiliates and make a profit share off of them, as well as an upfront commission off of them. Like I said, this is a big ticket because I only want to work with choice select people. I'm not turning this into an MLM. I'm not turning this into a business opportunity that has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of affiliates. I literally want to keep it in-house, people that I can mentor, people that I can mold, people that I can help take to the next level and reach their goal ultimately. And I want you to be one of those people. So I'm allowing you to be a part of this partnership for a one-time payment of $2,000. You can send the $2,000 over. We'll set you up with both marketing systems. We'll put you in the group. We'll train your people for you. We'll plug you into our marketing strategies. We'll plug your team into your marketing strategies. And most importantly, we will walk you through reaching your goal of the next year of your life to take you from wherever you are today to a year in, let's say, 90 days, because we do expect at least 30 to 90 days for you to find your 30 affiliates, to where you have created an actual $1 million in your bank account, not in theory, not in relativity, in real, actual life, tangible cash that you can touch, spend, kiss, rub on, jump into a big pile of, like Scrooge McDuck used to. I don't care what you do with the money once you have it. We just want to help you get it. So if you want to be one of our Uber Elite partners, please reply back to this video. We would love to have you in our partnership.